Hi friends, I'm Tarak, you're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to use increase indent and decrease indent on your WPS Office, on your WPS spreadsheet on your computer. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe and below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to use increase indent and decrease indent in your WPS spreadsheet on here, I just going to show. So for that, I have an example here. For an example, this still has a larger space. So I just type something like text and indent. Okay, text indent. So here I just want to move this text to the particular point. So just click on the text first and click on the cell first, and you will see this option in the top corner near the orientation. This is decrease indent, okay, and this is increase indent. If you just click this, you can see it's automatically moving to the point. So you can place wherever you can. For an example, in alignment, it will take this to the last position like left or right, but the decrease indent will align increase or decrease. You can have the point where you just need to fix the text. This is how you just use the increase indent and the decrease indent on your WPS spreadsheet on your computer. I think this video helped you. Not like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable WPS spreadsheet content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.